As fellow homeowners, we know your roof can represent a significant and important home investment that deserves only the best. Thanks for considering an Owens Corning roofing system. The combination of the Owens Corning brand and the Platinum Preferred contractor you're working with can deliver a material difference for your home and peace of mind for your family. Our network represents an exclusive group of top roofers, each of whom meet our strict eligibility requirements. We're proud of the products we make and the professionals who install them. And when your neighbors, friends, and family see a brand new roof on your home, we want you to be proud too.
Hi, I'm Ronnie Suarez.
And I'm Stephanie Suarez. We are the owners of Integrity Roofing and Siding and proud to serve both commercial and residential customers throughout the central part of Texas.
We are a family-owned and operated business with roots in the industry over 30 years. Each member of our team brings personal dedication to customer satisfaction and a commitment to excellence.
We are best described by our customers as honest, dependable, and hardworking. We have earned the reputation of being one of the leading professional roofing companies in our area.
As an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred contractor, we're proud of our status and the brand that we help represent. We believe that choosing the right contractor is as important as choosing the right shingle.
We look forward to working with you. Visit us at integritysa.com.